Christ Real Family Atlanta chapter presents Season of Turnaround. It's a prophetic healing and deliverance program. Date Friday 24th through Sunday 26th of April 2026. Time 7 p.m. daily. Parking validated nightly. Praise and music worship by Chris Martin. Host Leo Achamaja, Atlanta residential pastor. Speaker, the General Overseer, Apostle Larry, and the iconic Bishop Tom Samson, coming all the way from Nigeria to Atlanta, Georgia, United States of America.
I prophesy, you will soar to a new height. You will soar to higher breakthrough. You soar to greater blessing. Nothing will stop you. What stop others will not stop you. You're stoppable. You're indestructible. 2026 shall favor you. God shall bless you. God shall lift you up. You shall be great. You'll become successful in the name of Jesus.
There will be special individual counsel and prayer with the iconic Bishop Tom Samson. Location and address: Sheraton Suite Galleria 2844 Cobb Parkway Southeast, Atlanta, Georgia, United States of America. Make out time to attend.